My cake is good.
Your cake is terrible.
And Drew, what was your verdict?
It was really good.
Were you reading that from a gift card?
We do wish you were here.
We missed you, Karen. Wish you were here to celebrate your birthday with us.
Tell her that she's old.
Nice.
My mom says you're old.
Sisterly love.
Corey, you have anything to say to your sister?
We do miss you.
Hi. Happy birthday.
And
Karen, no.
What do you have in your mouth?
you can see Aunt Karen in there?
No. I see me.
Yes. Aunt Karen's going to see you too. We're going to send this video to her.
Blue frosted face and
Let me
everything.
see. I see
No touch because you've got frosting all over your face. Where are you?
Oh,
Okay, should we turn it off now?
Yeah.
Can you please go wash up? Any last words, Marv? Any parting words?
Have a good birthday.
What?
Parting words? You too?
Don't wear 4-inch heels when you're going through 4 airports.
very important life lesson.
Any last words?
What?
And any parting words?
Have a nice birthday, Karen.
Okay.